As a financial institution, you want to offer your clients a secure and easy online payment method when buying online. Because cybercrime such as skimming, spyware, and phishing is increasing. iDEAL offers a secure solution for online payments. This is how it works. A consumer buys a product at a web shop. He pays with iDEAL by selecting his own bank. Behind the scenes, an iDEAL message is exchanged via the merchant's bank, the acquirer, and the consumer's bank, the issuer. The consumer is then redirected to his bank. Here, the consumer logs in and confirms the pre-filled iDEAL payment, all from within his familiar internet banking system. Once completed, the issuer immediately sends a payment guarantee to the merchant via the acquirer. The iDEAL transaction is now complete, and the merchant can safely deliver the goods. So with iDEAL, all the data remains securely within the banking system. Merchants receive real-time confirmation of transactions and guaranteed payments. The transaction process only takes a few seconds and is secure by means of the iDEAL transaction protocol. And consumers don't need to sign up. They already use the online banking system that they're familiar with. iDEAL is growing every year and is a proven success. iDEAL, online payments through your own bank.